Hello learners! In our last video, we learned how to install Python, explored both interactive and script modes, and even wrote some basic code using the print and input functions. I noticed that some of you were a bit confused about certain Python expressions, especially with operators like multiplication, asterisk, division, modulus, percent, and exponentiation, asterisk star. So, before we jump into the core Python theory, like what is Python, its features, variables, and data types, let's first clear up the confusion around how Python handles math operations using the BODMAS rule. Let's begin with a few examples to make things crystal clear. Now we are going to explore Python math expressions in a simple and clear way, so you can solve any problem with confidence. Don't just watch. Grab your notebook and pen and start writing with me. Let's begin with basic operations, addition, multiplication, and division. When you type 2 plus 3 and press enter, the output is 5. Similarly, 5 asterisk 8 gives you 40. The star symbol is called an asterisk, and it's used for multiplication in Python. Now try 5 divided by 3 with single slash. The output is 1.666. In Python, the single slash is used for decimal division, meaning the result will be in decimal form. On the right side, I have shown the actual long division so you can visualize how it works. When we divide 5 by 3, the result is 1.666, and it goes on. Try 5 divided by 2, and you'll get 2.5. Again, this is true division using a single slash. But if you type 5, 2, using double slashes, the output will be just 2. This is called floor division, and it gives you only the integer part, ignoring the decimal. In Python, a single slash is used for decimal or true division. It returns the result with decimal points. A double slash is used for floor division. It gives only the integer part of the result. The percentage symbol percent is used for the remainder or modulus operation. And the double asterisk is used for exponentiation, to raise one number to the power of another. Write down this table in your notebook. Now come here and see this one. 5 single slash 2 equals 2.5. This gives the decimal result. 5 double slash 2 equals 2. This gives only the quotient, without the decimal part. 5 modulus 2 equals 1. This gives the remainder. Remember, the percentage symbol percent is called the modulus operator. Here, the hash symbol hash is given. That means it's a comment. In Python, anything written after the hash is not executed as code. It's just a note for the programmer to understand the code better. Here, it is explained that 5 divided by 2 gives 2.5. That's decimal division. Now come down here. For floor division, we take only the integer part of the result. That means 2 times 2 is 4, and when we subtract 4 from 5, we get a remainder of 1. We stop here. We don't go into decimal. So the quotient is what we get in floor division. 5 double slash 2 is equal to 2. And the remainder is what we get using modulus. 5 modulus 2 is equal to 1. Now come to interactive mode. When we type 3 divided by 2, that's single slash, the output is 1.5, a decimal. 3 divided by 2, that's double slash, the output is 1, the integer part only. So, we've completed addition, multiplication, and division. Now let us do exponentiation. In Python, we use double asterisk 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 for exponent. Try this. 2 asterisk asterisk 3, it means 2 to the power of 3, that is, 2 asterisk 2 times 2 equals 8. So, 2 is multiplied 3 times. Now try 2 asterisk asterisk 4. It means 2 to the power of 4, or 2 asterisk 2 asterisk 2 times 2 equals 16. In Python, the exponent operator has the highest priority. That means if an expression contains multiplication, division, and exponentiation, the exponent will be evaluated first. Now, let us do 5 modulus 2. When 5 is divided by 2, the quotient is 2 and the remainder is 1. So, 5 modulus 2 is 1, not 2. Remember, the modulus operator gives us the remainder, not the quotient. Similarly, 15 modulus 4 is 3. Now that we've practiced individual operations, let's move on to a slightly complex expression. 3 plus 2 asterisk 5, 6 plus 8 asterisk 9. Try solving it yourself first. Pause the video and write it down. Now let's solve it together step by step, following the order of operations. According to BEDMAS or BODMAS, we solve multiplication and division first, from left to right. First, 2 times 5 equals 10. Then, 10 divided by 6 is equal to 1.666. Next, 8 times 9 equals 72. Now substitute the results back into the expression. 3 plus 1.666 plus 72. Add them up. 3 plus 1.666 is equal to 4.666. 4.666 plus 72 is equal to 76.666. So, the final answer is 76.666. Let us know what is the rule in Python to solve math expression. In the USA, the rule is called PEMDAS, and in India, it's commonly known as BODMAS. Let's break it down. PEMDAS stands for P parentheses, E exponents, M multiplication, D division, A addition, S subtraction. Similarly, BODMAS used in India stands for B brackets, which includes and O orders, which means powers or roots, like squares, cubes, or square roots. Write down hierarchy of operations in Python. BODMAS, PEMDAS. 1 brackets, parentheses. Operations inside brackets are performed first. 2 orders, exponents asterisk asterisk. This includes powers and roots. Example, 2 asterisk asterisk 3 is equal to 8. 3 division, multiplication asterisk, modulus percent, floor division. All these operators have equal priority. They are evaluated from left to right as they appear in the expression. 4 addition plus and subtraction. These also have equal priority and are solved left to right. Important notes. Division, asterisk, percent, and floor division all come together in priority. If all are present in one line, the one that appears first, leftmost, is evaluated first. Now let us do some more examples. Pause the video, try each problem on your own, and then resume to check your answer. The next question is 12 plus 6%, 4 asterisk 3, 2. Take a moment and think, what will be the output? Let's solve it using PEMDAS, BODMAS rules. Percent, modulus, comes first. 6 modulus 4 is equal to 2. Then multiplication, 2 times 3 equals 6. Then division, 6 2 is equal to 3.0. Here 6 divided by 2 is 3.0, because in Python division is always in decimal and floor division is always in integer. Finally, addition, 12 plus 3.0 is equal to 15.0. So, the final answer is 15.0. Now, let us do these in script mode. I'm going to give you some questions. Pause the video, try to solve them and then resume to check your answers. To get the output in script mode, you first need to save the file and then run it. To save, go to the File menu and click on Save, or simply press the shortcut key Ctrl plus S. Now let's check the answers. 112.0, 2938, 49.0. Now, let's go through the explanations one by one. Let's go over the solutions together. 1. 8 plus 3 multiplied by 2 minus 4 divided by 2. First, multiplication. 3 times 2 is 6. Then division. 4 divided by 2 is 2.0. Now, 8 plus 6 is 14. Then subtract 2.0. Final answer is 12.0. 2. 5 plus 6 modulus 4 times 2. First, modulus. 6 modulus 4 is 2. Then, 2 times 2 is 4. Now add 5 plus 4. Final answer is 9. 3. 10 minus 2 times 3 plus 4. Start with multiplication. 2 times 3 is 6. Then subtract. 10 minus 6 is 4. Now add 4. Final answer is 8. 4. 14 divided by 2 plus 6 times 2 modulus 5. First, divide. 14 divided by 2 is 7.0. Then multiply. 6 times 2 is 12. Then modulus. 12 modulus 5 is 2. Finally, add. 7.0 plus 2. Final answer is 9.0. Now do question number 5 to 10 and then check your answer. In script mode, you have to save the file first, then run it to see the output. Here are the answers. 7, 9, 9, 4, 17 and last one 9. Check your answers carefully. If you got them all correct, great job. If not, pause the video, try again, and understand where you went wrong. Remember learners, in Python, exponent comes first. Then multiplication, division, and modulus. They all have equal priority and are solved from left to right. Lastly, we do addition and subtraction. Here we are providing you with some more examples. Please go through each one carefully. Pause the video, try solving them yourself, and then check the solution shown on the screen. Great job, learners! We've explored how Python evaluates expressions using BODMAS or BEDMAS rules, and even solved some tricky ones together. Now it's your turn. Here's a question for you to try. Type your answer in the comments below. And if there's anything you didn't understand, feel free to drop a comment. I'll be happy to help and improve that part in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Excellent Tutorial for more Python lessons. See you in the next video. Keep coding and keep learning. Thank you.